I don't think it is even fixable. I started removing all the dirt. I look how much dirt I collected. I started removing all the components. After removing the spring, I started cleaning them on alcohol. Then I used some cleaner to remove the rust. Then one of my coworkers started polishing the front cover. After the cleanup, they were looking fresh. I used some lubricant and started my assembly. I started putting all the gears to their position. This is a diesel watch which has a date dial too. After adding the top with the new glass, it was looking like new. With a new start, it was back to life again. What do you think about this repair?